So this question is a diagram question. Any question that provides some visual input, I'm going to call a diagram question. Looks like our x-axis here is time, so somewhere between 0 and 5 ms probably means milliseconds. And then our y-axis is membrane potential, MV. You don't need to know exactly what that means, just know that is what the y-axis represents. So our question here says the graph shows the change over time in milliseconds, which we just saw, in a neuron's membrane potential. Again, no need to know what membrane potential actually means, just need to know that that's the label for the y-axis. During an electrical brain signal known as an action potential. Again, no need to understand what that means. At which of the following times in milliseconds, so we're looking at the x-axis, at which of the following times in milliseconds is the membrane potential, so the y-axis, closest to negative 70 MV or millivolts? Well, negative 70, I'll use a different color, would be right in here. And then in terms of time, it's at negative 70 at 0 seconds. Looks like it's at negative 70 right here, around 1.3-ish seconds. And that's it, right? The graph never does touch that negative 70 horizontal line again until, I guess it does, way down here around the 4.85 second mark. So out of my options, now I just have to do kind of a true or false. Is it true that I'm at negative 70 millivolts at 2 seconds? Nope, because I'm down here. So that's not true. How about at 3 seconds? No, so I'm down there. How about at 4 seconds? No, I'm slightly below it. And how about 5 seconds? Absolutely yes, it's right on that horizontal dashed line. So my answer is choice D. And that's why I call this a diagram question, right? So we are utilizing our diagram. Notice how I drew on it. I drew this dashed line. I'm making sure I fully understand the X and Y axis. We're really utilizing the diagram in order to answer the question.